Let's discuss yesterday's NEET examination question paper. What is the question paper? Who created this question paper? Vandana ma'am. Okay. This is my content. This is my own content. I am giving you the content. And let's discuss. First bit. Andrecium term refers to. Andrecium means andrecium term refers to A female part, B male part, C unisexual, D bisexual. What is the correct answer? Male. B is the correct answer. And coming to second bit, which flower is recommended to? Easy way of learning all parts of entire flower. A unisexual flower, B bisexual flower, C male flower, D female flower. Why it is easy? Yes. In first coming to A, in unisexual flower only there is only one sex, male or female. If you want to learn both parts, bisexual flower is the better one. And male flower means only male flower. We can learn only male parts in male flower. Coming to D, female flower means we can learn only female parts. So the right answer is easy way to learn all parts means bisexual flower. Third bit, select the right option. Here the options are mismatched. So we will discuss the letter. Select the right option means stamen is a male part of the flower. A. Stamen, male. Style, male. Filament, female. Petals attracts pollinators. In this four, which two are correct sentences? Stamens are male, right or wrong? Stamen, what is stamen? Anther and filament is known as stamen. What is stamen? Anther and filament is known as stamen. So style is male part or female part? Female. Style connects ovary and stigma, right? This is wrong. This is right. Filament is female. Filament connects stamen, supports to anther. This is wrong. And coming to petals attracts pollinators. It is right or wrong? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one of these are right? 1 and 4. Coming to which tissue is present in microsporangium? A. Sporogenesis, B. Sporous tissue, C. Sporangium tissue, D. Spores tissue. Which tissue is present in microsporangium? Sporogenesis tissue. Sporogenesis is a tissue or it's a cycle? It's a cycle, yes. Sporous tissue. Have you ever listened sporous tissue? No. Sporangium tissue is correct. Yes, spore is not a tissue. So the right answer is sporangium tissue. C is the correct answer. Coming to sixth bit. Honeybee is example of A. Pollination, B. Pollinator, C. Spores, and D. Fertilization. Pollinator. What is meant by here? A. The option is pollination. What is meant by pollination? What is pollination? Entering, yes, the entering of pollen grains into ovules is called pollination. Is known as pollination. What is fertilization? B option, fertilization. What is meant by fertilization? Yes, fertilization. Mostly angiospermic anthers are A. Monothecous, B. Dithecous, C. Tetrathecous, and D. None. Dithecous. What is meant by dithecous? Yes, it has two lobes. Mostly angiospermic anthers are dithecous and has two lobes. Monothecous means has single lobe or double lobe. Tetrathecous means four lobes. Trithecous means three lobes. Okay, tri means 3, tetra means 4. Function of ovary is A. Release anthers, B. Release ovules, C. Release seeds, D. Release spores. Yes, release ovules. Release anthers means anther is a male part. Release ovules means in ovary ovules are present. Ovary releases ovules. Release seeds. Seeds are after fertilization. These ovules and flowerage turns into seeds. After these ovules are turns into stamen consists of A. 2 parts, B. 3 parts, C. 4 parts, and D. 5 parts. What are that stamen contains? Anther and filament. Pollen grains are situated in A. Pollen tubes, B. Pollen sacs, C. Pollen molds, D. Pollen spores. Yes, right. Pollen sacs are present in pollen sacs are male only. Presents in pollen sacs. Yes, right. This one is anther, right? This one is filament. Both are called stamens. Innermost wall of microsporangium is A. Connective tissue, B. Epithelial tissue, C. Endothecum, D. Sporogenous tissue. Innermost is the connective tissue. What? Connective tissue. What are you looking at? Innermost connective tissue. First one is endothecum. Endo means outer part. Epithelial tissue means it comes under animals. It is the first part. First layer in epithelial tissue is the first layer in animals. Sporogenous tissue is present inside the pollen sacs. It's called sporogenous tissue. Connective tissue is the innermost wall, innermost tissue of the sporangium. Microsporangium is dash layered structures. How many layered structures? 3 layered, 4 layered, 5 layered or 6 layered? Yes. What are the 4 layers? 4 layers of sporangium, microsporangium. Epidermis, endothecum, middle layers, epidermis, middle layers. Endothecum, tapetum. These are the 4 layers, right? And 13th one, which one of the following is a female reproductive part of the flower? A. Stigma, B. Style, C. Ovule and D. Stamen. Yes, here stigma is also female part, but here I asked the question about which one of the following is a female reproductive. Female reproductive means ovule. 14th one, which one of the following part of flower attracts pollinators? A. sepals, B. stamen, C. petals and D. filament. Why? Petals are the pollinators which attracts pollinators to make the pollination. 15th one, pollination occurs within 2 different flowers is known as. Pollination occurs in 2 different flowers. What is meant by self-pollination? Pollination within same flower is known as self-pollination. Pollination within two different flowers are known as cross-pollination. These are the 15 bits. ఎలా ఉన్నాయి బిట్స్? కష్టంగా ఉన్నాయి, ఈజీగా ఉన్నాయా? మరి ఎందుకు రాంగ్ చేశారు? 40 మార్క్స్ ఇస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్స్ కదా. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం కదా. నెక్స్ట్ టైం ట్రై టు ఇంప్రూవ్.